Registration for Canadian LEED v4 projects is now administered by GBCI Canada through LEED Online. This demonstration will walk you through the process. For those who are not familiar, LEED Online is the platform used by the GBCI and now GBCI Canada to create a space for project teams to coordinate documentation and submit for certification review. This platform is also used for registration and certification payment. In order to use LEED Online, you will need an account. If you do not already have one, please select the Create an Account button and complete the required profile information. In order for LEED Online to recognize an individual's Canada Green Building Council membership status, users must use the exact same email address for both their CAGBC website and LEED Online accounts. Your email will be your login username in LEED Online. Use your account credentials to log in. The initial page when you log in is the Projects page. We will walk through the steps required to register a building design and construction project. Similarly, if you are registering a campus or homes project, you would use the links to the right of the screen to access that section in LEED Online. Once you have selected the homes section, for instance, you can click the Create a New Homes Project button to proceed with a very similar process. Back in the Projects area, select the Create a New Project button to proceed with the registration. The online form will prompt you for your project's information. Choose from a drop-down menu the specific building and design and construction, interior design and construction, or operations and maintenance rating system you are registering for. You'll notice that as LEED v4.1 rating systems are released, they will be added to the list as well, giving project teams the option of participating in the LEED v4.1 beta. If you are not familiar with the rating systems available, please see the LEED v4 rating system selection guidance. A hyperlink to this page is available on the same page as this demonstration. You'll notice that LEED for Neighborhood Development rating system is not available in LEED Online. Canadian LEED ND projects should contact GBCI Canada Customer Service directly for registration forms and payment. You will need to select the unit of measure you are using. If you are entering your project area in square feet, please select Imperial Units, IP. If you are entering the area in meters, please select the International System of Units, SI, for the metric system. Entering the owner and project type information accurately helps GBCI Canada determine that the appropriate rating system was selected and assists in collecting accurate statistical data. People often wonder why their project is listed as confidential within the USGBC and CAGBC project database. The selection to indicate that your project is private is initially made in the registration form here. If you indicate your project is private, it will not be listed in these publicly available directories and should not be otherwise advertised. Of course, this selection can be changed in the project details at a later date. Ensure the project address is entered correctly, indicating that you are registering a Canadian project. You'll need to indicate the project postal code as well. The project's latitude and longitude is part of the required address information collected. You may use the map pin icon to correctly select this location from a Google map. Once you continue from the project details, you will be asked to acknowledge the certification agreement. You must read to the bottom of the agreement in order to acknowledge it. The certification agreement is between the certification body and the owner of the project. If the individual completing the registration and accepting the agreement is not the building owner, please submit the Confirmation of Agents Authority form indicating your ability to act on the owner's behalf. Both the certification agreement and the Confirmation of Agents Authority form are available in the project details page after registration. Should you require a copy of these documents in French, please contact GBCI Canada Customer Service. After you acknowledge the agreement, your project registration will be created and you will be taken to the shopping cart to proceed with payment. Canadian pricing is now available in Lead Online. Organizations that are CAGBC Specialist members benefit from reduced registration and certification fees. If you are not a member and would like to hear about the benefits of membership, please contact CAGBC Customer Service. Likewise, if you do not see your membership status reflected in the registration price to the right of this page, please contact Customer Service and we'd be happy to help you. You have the option in the shopping cart to pay for registration by credit card, check, or wire transfer. Additional instructions specific to the payment type are provided when you make this selection. For example, if you intend to pay by check, an invoice will be created and emailed to the bill to party indicated in this form. This is auto-populated with some of your information from your account. Once you receive the invoice by email, mail the invoice and check to GBCI Canada at the indicated address. To avoid any delays in processing, identify the payment by indicating the invoice number on the check. Once payment is completed, you will see the receipt and receive confirmation of your transaction by email. The project will now be listed in your profile when you log in to Lead Online. If you have any questions remaining, please let us know by phone or email, info@gbcicanada.ca.